If you work with circuit breaker, you would have heard the term rated peak withstand current or rated making current, and it is generally very high than the short circuit current. What is it? Let's understand. Now imagine there is a fault in the system, existing fault, existing short circuit, and you're trying to close a circuit breaker during that faulty condition, and it's very much possible that the breaker might close in the existing fault condition. So in that case, during the first half cycle of the current, because since the contacts of the breakers are closing or making, the short circuit current can go to a very high level, and that is what we call as the making current or the rated peak withstand current. Now of course, this current is higher than that of the short circuit current, and it stays in the system for a very short time. That's why it's a peak withstand current, and for sure the circuit breaker should withstand that current, and whatever mechanical forces that will generate, the circuit breaker should also be capable of withstanding that. The IEC standard says the breaker should be tested for 2.5 times the rated short circuit current. So for example, if your short circuit current is 40 kiloampere, the making current would be 100 kiloampere. So that is for 50 hertz frequency. If your frequency is 60 hertz, then the IEC says it should be tested for 2.6 times than that of the short circuit current. Now, if you want to learn any other parameter of the circuit breaker, comment it down and I'll try to make a video on that as well.